Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking here at Valle Vista Elementary, home of the Vikings in Hemet, California. I got to speak to the kindergartners all the way through the fifth graders today, two separate assemblies, and the focus was on anti-bullying, but even more than that, really choosing to look at someone's heart before anything else. That we see them as human beings, like the shirt says, one race, human. That we see everyone around us as human beings before any other thing, and we see them for their heart before anything too. And so many students came up to me today that may have been born differently on the outside, on the inside, a certain condition or a certain appearance, whatever it might have been, and something that we can't control. But yet still people will find a reason to try to bring us down because of that, and that's their opinion, but not every opinion matters. And to know our worth, to know our own value, that our best friends will respect us no matter what, that's really all that matters. And that these people that choose to show that hatred, that we can rise above and be the bigger people, become the healed people that heal people, and show them the love that they need. So we need to remember the power that all of us have, the M on all of our palms, M for miracle, and W upside down for worthy, that we never forget how important, how beautiful each of us are. Because when we start understanding that we are good enough, now we can go be the light to someone else's heart and help them see that they're great enough too. So through the other examples that I shared throughout my talks of kids in pain throughout this country, what was so amazing and incredible in all these examples is that these people eventually chose to turn this pain into greatness, that the hurt people who hurt people finally become healed, and the light enters their heart, and so does the love, compassion, respect, everything. And we turned our hearts as big as our fist into this, and keep raising people up higher than ourselves. So thanks for letting me share my heart with you guys. Hope to be back again soon. Until then, much love. Keep spreading the peace. Peace.